For the last video clip, we learned about the grammar of koto, nani nani koto, something like this. And today we are going to learn continue from that video clip. That means it's the last video clip that I upload. If you follow my channel, you will understand about. For the new follower, you can search in my YouTube channel. It has about the grammar of koto, nani nani koto. But today we are going to learn about the grammar Kotokara. The grammar of Kotokara means that from the fact that something. From the fact that something. And when you use the grammar of Kotokara in Japanese, you can use the grammar of Kotokara with the verb, noun, and adjective. But in the verb form, you should change the verb to be the casual form. And for the noun, you should change the noun to be they are or data. Data is mean past tense form. They are is mean the presentation form. And for the noun adjective is just like the same as noun. When you use the noun adjective with Kotokara, you should change to be they are or data. That means you use noun adjective and followed by they are or data and followed by Kotokara. And for the adjective, you don't need to be change anything. You just use in that form and followed by Kotokara. And when you use the verb, noun, and adjective with the Kotokara, it has meaning that from the fact that something. So to make more understand about how to use the grammar of Kotokara, let's go to see some example. The first example, 教室で席が隣だったことから友人になった。教室で席が隣だったことから友人になった。Which means we became good friends from the fact that our seats were right next to each other in the classroom. We became good friends from the fact that our seats were right next to each other in the classroom. In this sentence, we'll focus that how to use Kotokara. You see that they use the noun, right? In this sentence, our noun in here is mean tonally. Tonally is mean is around you, right? Tonally is mean just around you. So tonally data, it means word or words, it was about around you. Kotokara, right? So here is the past tense form, tonali data Kotokara, right? That means the first before the Kotokara is mean the reason, and after the Kotokara is mean the result. Which means in this sentence that because why they were good friends, because their seats is near to each other and they sit near to each other and they can talk to each other, and then and at the last they can make friends, right? So the first before the Kotokara is mean the reason why, and after Kotokara is mean the result. The result is good friends. Why is good friends? Because they have a seat near each other. Let's go to see the next example. 道路が濡れていることから 雨が降ったということがわかる。道路が濡れていることから雨が降ったということがわかる。which means considering the ground is wet, I know that it must have rain. Considering the ground is wet, I know that it must have rain. For in this sentence, we'll focus that what they use with Kotokara. In this sentence, they use the verb 濡れている which means is verb and 濡れていることから right. So here is just the same that the last moment I already explained that the before Kotokara is the reason and after Kotokara is mean the result. So you notice that the dolo ga nuretekara which means that the ground of the road, right? Ground of the road is wet. So the result, or you can consider that it must have rain. Something like this. The next example. 日本語能力試験の演算に合格していないことから彼は日本に行くことができない。日本語能力試験の3級に合格していないことから彼は日本に行くことができない。which means from the fact that he hasn't passed the JLPT entry, he is not able to go to Japan. From the fact that he hasn't passed the JLPT entry, he is not able to go to Japan. And for this sentence, you will see that they use the Kotokara, they use the verb. Right, 合格していない which means the negative of the verb. Negative sentence, right? 合格していないことから and because he didn't pass the JLPT entry, so the result, he cannot go to Japan, right? This can be come true when you use it when you apply for scholarship or something like this. You can use the reason like this. But if you have money, you can go to travel in Japan by yourself, by your family, right? So it's not involved about you have JLPT entry or not, right? But when you apply for the scholarship for some organization or for the government of Japan, right? So they have the condition for you. If you pass, they will pay the ticket for you and pay anything that costs money. The next, 毛の色が白いことから白という名前が付けられる犬や猫は多い。毛の色が白いことから白という名前が付けられる犬や猫は多い。This means many dogs are named Shiro. Why? From the fact that their fur color is white. Many dogs are named Shiro. Why? From the fact that their fur color is white. In this sentence, you see that what they use with the Kotokara, instead they use the EHT, right? Shiroi. Shiroi is mean the color white, the white color, right? Shiroi. So when you use the EHT with the Kotokara, nothing change. You can use in that form. So, K no iro ga shiroi Kotokara shiro という名前が付けられる犬や猫は多い。Right? That means when you have they set the name for the pet such as dog and cat. Depend to the reason of the full color, right? Full color. Sometimes red, sometimes brown, right? Sometimes white. So you can